Welcome back. Today's video I'm going to show you how to apply this wig with little to no effort. This wig does come with the invisible HD lace, and this also comes with combs and adjustable straps, and the knots are already bleached, so all you have to do is apply it, which I am going to do straight out the box today. This wig does come with single knots, so as you can see, the knots are very small at the hairline and also in the parting. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut away the extra lace, and I'm then going to push the hairline back so you all can see what the pre-plucked hairline looks like on this wig. For today's application, I'm using a Got2b blasting spray. Very simple application, and I'm just going to dry it. Now, you don't have to glue this wig down with anything. However, if you choose not to use any type of hairspray, gels, or glue, I would highly recommend just using some right at the temple and ear area. That way you won't get any lifting there. Okay, so I'm now going to add a little bit of powder that is my complexion right to those knots, because I want that lace to melt, and I also want the knots to be very undetectable, since I did not go back and re-bleach the knots again. So with this wig, you do get a good amount of parting space, which I adore in any wig, because parting is everything to me. You need a lot. So by the way, I have not washed this wig. I took it straight out the box so you guys can see how I can style it without doing much at all. So I'm going to go ahead and set this parting. Also, I will be sure to put some discounts down below in the description box. They are having their Black Friday sales. I think all sites are right now, so you can definitely check that description box if you want to know more about that. Now, the one thing I do notice is that the bleach knots do not match my complexion. They are more darker. So that powder, applying it to the parting and also the hairline, also helps to blend it to match my complexion more. So I'm going to go ahead and finish out styling this wig. I will be sure to put everything in today's video down in the description box for you all. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram. And if you like my makeup, follow my second channel. I will pop it out right here. Alright, so we are all finished, and this looks so natural. I will be sure to put all the information for this wig down in the description box if you all are interested, and be sure to check there and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and join me back for more videos, and I will see you back in my next video, my precious squad. Mwah.